Black Friday is so profitable for online businesses because people know on Black Friday, that's when all the deals are and people are in a buying mode. People are drawn in from all of that FOMO, right? The fear of missing out. But what if you can have your own Black Friday any time of year? You can sell anything at a huge discount with the help of a daily deal funnel. Now watch to learn how you can build one. Now I love building sales funnels and I want to share my best ones with you in this Notion document. Now this is my free sales funnel templates library. Okay, now I build these whenever I have time, and earlier today I actually finished a brand new sales funnel. It is the micro commitment squeeze page, and it's a 3-step process. And to preview the first page, I'm going to show you that right now. So this first page of this 3-step funnel is very unique because on the first page, people are asked about a specific question. So they can click on any of these options and then they'll go next to fill out the contact form. Okay, so this is a very powerful, high converting squeeze page because it encourages a micro commitment at the very beginning. Okay, so you can grab this free, including tons of other templates you see right here. I will be adding to this on a weekly basis. So to get access to this free Notion document, just click the link in my description. Aside from this templates library, I'll also give you free access to my brand new online reputation management software. So this software is great for local businesses and also coaches and consultants who have customers and clients, and you want to collect their positive reviews and testimonials and show them off on your own sales funnels and websites. Okay, so this collects people's reviews and testimonials. Now my software starts at $97 per month for the single plan, but you can grab this for free if you click the link in my description. Now I really like the daily deal funnels because they are very simple and easy to create, okay? Because it's a 2-step process. It's very fast. So the first step is the order page. So this is where the magic happens because it includes tons of very important elements you must add to this page in order for it to work. Okay, so the first thing you must add is a video that explains the deal and the product. So your goal here is to kind of hype up this daily deal. And next to it is where you list out the product information, right? So you explain the product briefly, you let them know the original price of the product and also the sale price for 24 hours only, and also let them know how much actual dollars they will be saving today only. Okay, now when they click on buy, they will get taken to the order form page where they can complete their purchase. Now when they complete the purchase, they will automatically get sent to step number 2, which is the confirmation page. So if you are selling a digital product, you will use this confirmation page as the place where you can share that product via a link to, your course or any downloadables. Or if it's a physical product, you can use this page to let them know when it will be shipped and when it will be delivered to their home. Now it's very easy to build this inside ClickFunnels because they give you tons of free templates. Okay, so to browse any template, just click on preview template and then you can see how it looks like. You can see the color scheme, the layout, and this is where you can decide whether or not this matches your brand. Now I really like this one. So to add this to your own ClickFunnels account, just click on add to my account. And this is the backend for that daily deal funnel. So it's a 2-step sales funnel. Now, since we are selling a product, what we first need to do is attach a product to this funnel. So you see this yellow icon right here. It's letting us know that this step expects products to be attached. So to attach a product, we are going to click on it and then click on add product. Now I added products to my ClickFunnels account before, so I'm going to click on one of the products. I'm going to click on this organic supplement product. And as you can see here, the icon turned to purple. So we've added a product. Now we can edit the actual page. So this is the ClickFunnels drag and drop builder. Now the first thing I like to do is always attach my video. Okay, so they already give you a place to add your video. So click on it and then just add the video URL right here. And the editor is very easy to use. You can basically just click anything and then change it. So say for example, I want to say special deal today only. This is the value of the product, what my customer would pay, how much they are saving. Now this daily deal funnel is primarily just to promote one product. Now they also included a section here that shows you all the deals. So these are the products that you would want to add here. Generally they are full price. Now you can add them here in case they are not necessarily interested in the daily deal, but they might still want to buy something from you. This gives them an option to do so. So you can add your products right here so that they can take a look at it. And then when you scroll down, you could view this two-step order form. Okay, now this two-step order form is very powerful because the order form is split into two portions. The easy portion and then the hard portion. So the easy portion asks just general information, easy stuff, right? The name, email, shipping information if you are selling a physical product. And then the second step is the harder portion because they need to find their wallet, take out their credit card, type their number in, and then finally click on submit. Now in this entire process, they might be talking themselves out of buying the product. They might be asking themselves, do I really need this? So there is a high chance that people will not complete this form. Now that is actually okay, because a good percentage of people will fill out the easy part, right? Their contact information, but a higher percentage will not complete the payment part. So what you can do is email them, right? Put them in your own email marketing workflow and let them know that this product is only available today. And in that email, you can send them back to this form to complete their purchase. So it's okay if they didn't make the purchase right at this exact moment because you already have their email address. So this is why this two-step order form is so powerful. Now let's just say maybe we don't want to promote our other deals. We could basically delete this entire section. So we can just hover over the section, then just click on this delete icon. And we also need to delete this banner right here. And we are all set. Now I'm going to click on save and we can go to the next step, which is the confirmation page. So this is basically their receipt. Okay, so this is the product that they purchased with the pricing. And this area here is a great opportunity to let them know when they will be receiving their product, or if you are selling a digital product, you will add a link to access that downloadable or maybe that course, and maybe even add links to social media and also your support email. Now, if we want to preview our work, we can click on the preview button. So let's preview this first page here. So I'm going to click on this eye icon, and here we go. This is a preview of the first step of our daily deals funnel. So as you can see, it's very simple, very fast to create a daily deals funnel inside ClickFunnels. Now, if you want free access to my sales funnel templates, feel free to click the link in my description to grab all of these and future sales funnels for free. Now, if you enjoyed this video, the only way you can let me know is by smashing that like button and also subscribing to my channel. And if you want to check out my other videos, feel free to click any of the ones on the screen. Thanks.